So part 3, we are in now where in operator. So let's check. For example, we want to print data. We want to print a quantity in stock. So first of all, let's select asterisk. No, sorry, select. So let's go to products and open the file. So for example, we select quantity in stock. Quantity under this quantity spelling quantity underscore in stock. Then we can give space and enter. Okay, now from it is from data is from products, then just execute this. Okay, quantity again is valid quantity. So today spelling is being either control shift in there. So we can see quantity in stock. For example, we want to print 17, 49, 38. We want to print out 70, 49, 38. So if we want to print together this, then what can we do? We will do asterisk, then enter from products where, like this. We can quantity in stock. We can use in operator giving a braces, then we can write. So braces is not needed, but if we write, it is very good for us, and it for clearly it can be understand by computer. 70 comma 49 38 49 comma 38. Now this program has to do what? It has to only show the quantity in stock with the quantity in stock of 17, 49, 38. This quantity is only shown by the program. So now control shift enter, then we can see 17, 49, 38. This is the what the program can do. So this is only the file. Now let's make one. Here we can do this from this. Now we can select asterisk, then from customer. We want from customers where state. We want the state. We want the customer from state. For example, we want the customer from state. By using in operator, we want the customer. Okay, let's decrease the size. Where state in, then now we can give braces. We want from BA comma FEL comma we want from Virginia. Okay, Iceland or Ireland. What is this? So we want these countries. So control shift enter, then we can get BA FEL IR. So this video ends now. Thank you.